Alright, Yon World, we back with another one, man. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We got an exclusive, man. We got the black YouTuber hoodie from Poudii, man. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. We doing an unboxing of the very rare black YouTuber hoodie, right? From Poudii. I don't know if y'all caught this new drop, right? It's, what's today? May 12th, 2021. I think the new drop came out about 2 weeks ago, right? For the psychedelic YouTuber hoodie, right? And I've been seeing this everywhere, man. And I always wanted one, man. I'm a black YouTuber now, so I have to support, man. Shout out to Poudii. But I want to do a live unboxing, y'all can see. He ain't got the price on here, but this mug, I think this mug was like $60. I don't know. I forgot how much it was. I just bought it, supported my dog Poudii. Y'all know who Poudii is, man. That nigga funny as hell. I learned about him through watching DDG and them niggas. But yeah. Well, thick. We got that black YouTuber hoodie. Yeah, man. This TSA vibes, man. It's TSA vibes. It's like thick. You know. It's like a raisin. Like you kind of raise out for the hoodie. I don't know what you would call this print, but it's like a raisin print hoodie. Like you can feel the texture of each letter. Yeah, we got that black YouTuber. All right. And we got another one from Poudii. Internet saved me. Alright. Because if y'all don't know, man, the internet's a new dope game, man. Everybody think, you know, definitely a lot of people from where I'm from, Detroit. Everybody think you gotta go in the streets, get a bunch of money like it's the 80s. Nah, the money on your phone, nah, the money on the internet, nah. So, we got this, man. Internet saved. Shit, Poudii really took some time with these hoodies. You could tell, like, he even got the tag. He even got his own tag. The inside of it, the inside got some little mesh. It's dope. Alright, internet saved me. Then it's the same, like, puff type of text. I like this gray. I like the color of this gray, like the fabric quality, man. Shout out to Poudii. So we got the black YouTuber, and we got the internet saved me, man. Make sure y'all go shop with Poudii. I don't know if that nigga probably sold out. Probably sold out by now. So yeah, man. Yeah, I'm fucking with this. I'm fucking with this vibe right here. But yeah, man. It's your boy Yon World. I just wanted to do a review on Poudii new clothes, man. I could definitely fit this shit. Perfect size, medium in the hoodies. Yeah. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.
Niggas want to talk about Kanye. I'm that nigga. Kanye, I'm the nigga. He don't want to talk about he Walt Disney. What do you say, Charlotte? Nigga, you ain't none of that. You ain't none of that. You ain't come out with shit.